Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonders of our solar system. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts. We're talking about the cosmic backyard we call home. A place with a star that dwarfs everything else. Planets with extreme personalities and mysteries that continue to boggle the minds of scientists. So, buckle up, space cadets. We're about to embark on a journey through our celestial neighborhood, exploring 10 mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe of the universe we live in. Let's kick things off with the big guy, the Sun. This giant ball of plasma isn't just keeping us warm, it's the anchor of our entire solar system. The Sun makes up over 99.8% of the total mass of our solar system. All the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, everything we know and love in our cosmic neighborhood amounts to less than a rounding error compared to the Sun. This massive size gives the Sun immense gravitational pull, keeping all the planets in our solar system, including Earth, in orbit. The planets are constantly moving, orbiting the Sun at just the right speed to counteract the Sun's gravitational pull. It's like a cosmic tug of war, and for now, it's a stalemate. Next up, we're taking a trip to Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Now, you might think that being close to the Sun would make Mercury a scorching inferno, and you wouldn't be wrong. But Mercury is also a planet of extremes, experiencing some of the most drastic temperature swings in our solar system. Without a substantial atmosphere to regulate temperature, Mercury bakes in the intense heat of the Sun during the day, with surface temperatures soaring to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the kicker. As soon as the Sun sets, Mercury's temperature plummets, dropping to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're planning a trip to Mercury, pack for all seasons, and by seasons, I mean scorching hot and unimaginably cold. Now, let's move on to Venus, often called Earth's twin. It's similar in size and composition to our planet, but don't let that fool you. Venus is a scorching, toxic hellscape, and it's all thanks to a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus has a thick, dense atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide. The thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide acts like a giant blanket, trapping heat and causing temperatures to soar to an average of 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. And it's not just the surface that's scorching. The temperature remains relatively uniform throughout the planet's atmosphere. The pressure on Venus's surface is 90 times that of Earth's. It's like being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. So, while Venus might look like Earth's twin from a distance, up close, it's a stark reminder of the delicate balance of planetary atmospheres. Venus is a pressure cooker on high. Now we arrive at our home planet, Earth, the pale blue dot, a cosmic oasis teeming with life. As far as we know, Earth is unique in the universe, the only planet we've found so far that harbours life. First, Earth sits in what we call the Goldilocks Zone, the habitable zone around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. We're not too close to the Sun to be scorched like Venus, and we're not too far away to be a frozen wasteland like Mars. Earth has a protective atmosphere, that cozy blanket we talked about earlier, that shields us from harmful radiation from the Sun and helps regulate our climate. It's like Earth's personal force field, deflecting cosmic rays and meteoroids. Earth has a magnetic field generated by its molten core. This magnetic field acts like a shield, protecting us from the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the Sun. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate our pale blue dot. Let's journey to our next-door neighbour, Mars, the red planet. Now, Mars might seem like a dry, dusty world, but don't let that fool you. This planet holds secrets of a more active past, including evidence of ancient water flows and, most impressively, the largest volcano in our solar system. This volcanic behemoth is Olympus Mons, a shield volcano that dwarfs anything we have here on Earth. Imagine a volcano so massive that it covers an area the size of Arizona and towers 3 times higher than Mount Everest. On Mars, the crust is stationary, allowing volcanic eruptions to build up in the same spot over billions of years. So, Olympus Mons stands as a testament to Mars's volcanic past, a silent giant that hints at the red planet's more dynamic history. And who knows, maybe one day we'll send astronauts to climb its slopes and unravel its secrets. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to visit Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system and a true planetary speedster. Jupiter is a gas giant, a massive ball of hydrogen and helium with no solid surface. But don't let its gassy nature fool you. This planet is constantly on the move, rotating at an incredible speed. In fact, Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets in our solar system, completing one rotation on its axis in just under 10 hours. This rapid rotation creates some intense forces on Jupiter, including powerful winds and massive storms like the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for centuries and is larger than Earth itself. Why is Jupiter spinning so fast? Well, it all comes down to its formation and angular momentum. Imagine a figure skater pulling their arms in during a spin. As they bring their arms closer, they spin faster. Similarly, as Jupiter formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust, it contracted, causing it to spin faster and faster. So Jupiter's rapid rotation is a testament to the incredible forces at play during the formation of our solar system. Next up, we're visiting the crown jewel of our solar system, Saturn, the ringed wonder. Now, Saturn isn't the only planet with rings, but its ring system is by far the most impressive, spanning hundreds of thousands of kilometers and visible even with a small telescope. Saturn's rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to massive chunks the size of houses. Imagine a cosmic disco ball, but instead of mirrors, it's made of ice and rock, reflecting the sun's light and creating a breathtaking spectacle. Scientists believe they formed from the remnants of comets, asteroids, or even moons that got too close to Saturn and were torn apart by its powerful gravity. Saturn's rings are a reminder of the powerful forces at play in our solar system, where gravity can both create and destroy on a cosmic scale. Get ready to tilt your head because we're about to visit Uranus, the ice giant that's tipped on its side. Unlike most planets in our solar system, which spin on an axis roughly perpendicular to their orbit around the Sun, Uranus is tilted at a dramatic angle of about 98 degrees. Imagine a top spinning on its side. That's Uranus. This unique tilt gives Uranus some pretty strange seasons. For each pole, it experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus serves as a reminder that our solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place, where even the most massive planets can bear the scars of cosmic collisions. Hold on to your hats because we're about to visit Neptune, the windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune is a gas giant, much like Jupiter and Saturn, but it's the furthest planet from the Sun. Despite its distance from our star, Neptune is a surprisingly active place, with a turbulent atmosphere and winds that would make a hurricane look like a gentle breeze. We're talking about supersonic winds, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound here on Earth. These winds whip around Neptune, creating massive storms and giving the planet a distinctive blue hue. One theory suggests that the planet's internal heat, combined with its fast rotation, creates powerful atmospheric currents that generate these supersonic winds. Neptune's supersonic winds are a testament to the extreme conditions that can exist in the outer reaches of our solar system. Finally, we reach Pluto, the little world that could and did. Now, Pluto has had a bit of an identity crisis in recent years, being reclassified as a dwarf planet. But don't let that fool you. Pluto is still a fascinating and complex world, full of surprises. Pluto has a heart-shaped glacier towering mountains made of water ice and a thin atmosphere that creates a hazy blue sky. It even has 5 moons of its own, with Charon, its largest moon, being so large that it and Pluto are often considered a binary system, orbiting a common centre of mass. Pluto remains a captivating world, a testament to the diversity and wonder of our solar system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing facts about our solar system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. From the scorching heat of Venus to the supersonic winds of Neptune, our solar system is a place of incredible wonder and diversity. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're a part of something much larger than yourself, a cosmic story billions of years in the making. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious about the universe we call home.